What's up, people? We are doing a community update here for the PineScript Pro Traders Hub. I'm just going to walk you through some quick updates we did this week, and we're going to be closing it off at that. So let's jump through it real quick. So this week, we added another course to the classroom. We now have 7 courses in here. We had the practical PineScript crash course we just made, and we put it in here so you can check that out when you are ready. We also created a community vault. You can check that as well. This is going to be all of the indicators, strategies, services, resources that our community posts. I'll even put some in here as well because I am part of the community. So whatever we come up with, if you don't mind me putting it in here, we'll drop it in here and I'll make a link to the actual community post so you can see here one of our members posted their indicator in here. Now we have that for everyone to find very easily. You don't have to go digging into the community chat. So check that out. It's going to be growing. It's going to be sick. We have tool chests, which are filled with indicators, code snippets, one-on-one sessions with me. These unlock with each level, depending on where you're at. The higher you go, the better the indicator. So for level 5 here, we have the auto Fibonacci alerts. These are 2 indicators that I posted on TradingView privately. The code is protected, but in here, you'll be able to see the code and see the madness behind the indicator. So that is very valuable stuff, and I'm just giving it away if you can get to that level. And it's not hard to get to level 5. I think you just need to get 1 like per day for a month. Okay, so it's really not that hard. Probably took me a month to make some of these indicators. We have multi-time frame indicator signals here. That's an indicator on my website. There's also the multi-time frame automatic RSI, strategy optimizer, and we'll be adding a lot more to these. These are just starting us off. I have a whole bunch of code that I need to just drop into these tool chests so you guys can get access to those. Plus, I have even more than you see here in this GitHub repo. So we'll be doing that. I need to do level 7, level 8, and level 9, but those will come later because no one's getting to those levels yet, not even me. Then finally, I'm building a daily drip. So this will be code snippets that are released based on the daily, every day. We have the drip status here. So this page will be released 1 day after a member joins. And then this one is 2 days and so forth. So I want to put in a bunch of information in here to keep people active, showing up every day and seeing the new code snippets. So far, we just have vertical lines, 3 different ways to draw vertical lines, session levels, session high, low for the weekly or the daily open. You can see those here. And I have a bunch of code snippets that I've accumulated over the decade I've been doing this. So I want to make a bunch of stuff in here as well, so you can get all your code snippets in one spot. But then we have all that. That's about it for this community update. There is still lots of work to do. We've got people active in here, which is great. But now we're having good unlocks here. So see you guys when I see you guys.